Hi, this is the tutorial video for the ball pen. So this is G2 actually. The Gen 1, I designed it as a print in place. But still, you know, everybody's printer, their tolerance can be different. So that's why I designed this way. And also doing this will ensure the final quality of your product, okay? So let's start with future updates. I'm going to put a link of my Google Doc sharing any updates about this project. So feel free to come back again to visit that folder if you are going to make more ball pens in the future. Okay, so that's the link of the Google Doc. So that's get started. So we're gonna start with the hardware. It's very minimum. So this is a random small spring. You can take it from any click ball pen, or you can buy it on Amazon, Aliexpress, Taobao. The requirement is very easy as long as it fits this one, and you can always cut the length if it's too long, and if it's too short, you can just stretch it. So it's not really, we don't have to get serious about the spec of this. It's very easy to find, but I'm going to put a link for your reference. So that's the spring, and this is the design is for Parker, so Parker, Parker G2 refill. Or this one is actually, let me see, Schmidt Easy Flow 9000. So I chose this because of the quality of this. It's metal actually, and it's cheap, and it's readily available on Amazon and also Aliexpress. Okay, so don't choose Pilot. So PILOT G2. It's different. It looks almost the same, but the length is different. So choose Parker G2 or Schmidt Easy Flow 9000. It's very easy to find. Okay, so that's the only two hardwares we're gonna need. Parts, only 5 parts. The print setting is in the folder already. So everything is oriented as the pictures show there. So no worries there. Like this one we call main body, and I was using a normal support touching the plate and bring because it's thin and tall. This one is BCG head. No support, just bring. This one TPU. You can print it with PLA, but since this is a clip that you can clip on your pocket to carry the pen, I would suggest to use a TPU for better durability. This one I use support. Don't worry about it, it's very easy to remove by hand. And this one, oh come on, yeah, the tip, TPU as well. This one, TPU. You can try printing these ones with a PLA. It just doesn't work as good as TPU. So this one is the lock. Okay, let's get started. So again, like how you remove all of support. Just remove it. Should be easy. And here you have to trim. If you want perfection, you can lightly sand it and then use the torch or lighter. A quick pass of that will cure that and have a smoother finish. So this is the body. It's done. If anything, notice here, sometimes maybe you got this. So just use your knife to get it off. Make sure it is smooth, and because you're gonna have parts to move along here. So I'm going to use the knife and just easily, yeah, it's off. Yeah, clean. Okay, and here don't worry too much about it. Okay, so the main body is done. So this is the BCG head. No support, just take off the bring. Since it goes inside the main body, so the process doesn't have to be pretty. Just make sure you get rid of the brain for clean edge for this to go in here, like the real BCG. Of course, couldn't hurt that if you put some grease on. This is the grease I'm using, or any grease that you use on your nerve project will do. So just I put too much. You don't need this much. Okay. And this one will go in here. Yeah, much better. So for the TPU clip, so we just remove the support by hand. It should look this way. It doesn't matter if you think this doesn't look good, because you will not see it once assembled. Okay, so clip is done. The tip, just clean that off with the nippers. And here, got some string. So got some string in. Yeah, it's gone. Okay. Then this is the lock. L-O-C-K, lock. Yeah, it looks good. No need for a process. Okay. So everything is done and it's ready to assemble. So firstly, this one and this one. So the back of this one has to go in like so. It should be easy. The tolerance is kind of loose, but snap on. If you find it too hard, just easily clean here for this to go in easily. Okay, so that's just because this part will go in this way, like the real BCG. So just put some grease on. I'm using this, or you can use any loop that you use for your nerve blaster. Okay, let's just put this in and put it aside. And then this is the tip. So just drop the tip here. So this is why I highly recommend you to print this with a TPU, because the tolerance is tight for good reason. If you have this, just push this all the way in like so. You feel tight here, but don't worry about it. Just push that all the way back here. Or if you don't have this, it's easy. Just give me 1 second. So again, drop this in like so. And then make sure you put this on, this is the cover, on top of the tip of the refill. And then just put it like so and then push it. Push that all the way here. And then just remove it. Now, once the tip is installed, take the cover off. Put a spring in. And then just, I got some string here, so just quick. Okay, it's done. So, all the way in. And make sure once you press it, it bounces back. Okay, and make sure if you press all the way in and the hole on this part is gonna be revealed fully like this, because the hole there is where the lock goes in. Okay, it goes in like this, not this. So this. Okay, just again, that's why I suggest you to print this with a TPU. Just plug that in, and it's done. So try the functionality. Basically, it's done. The clip is just a add-on to complete the look and also act as the pocket clip. Yeah, so that's why you can print this with PLA. For PLA or PETG, you can just snap right in or super glue it. But with TPU, I suggest you to super glue it. But let's talk about that later. Let's just try the function. Okay, that's good. So push that in, it bounce back, and then use your fingertip to push this back. Because the tolerance is tight and the TPU got it flex, so it will stuck here until you deploy by press this. So simply press, turn, both action. Okay. Now let's super glue this part here. So I'll just put the glue here and also here. You don't need to put a lot. TPU bites on with super glue, bites on PLA or PTG fairly well. Okay, and then just do this way. Like so. And this is the clip. Okay, and then let's check again. Push. Good. It's done. Hope you like it. Just a quick heads up. I already changed the length of this. So right now it fit in more nicely. I already put some super glue on. This is TPU. For POA, PTG, probably it's just a snap in. So it fit in the shape more nicely right now. And make sure it sits all the way in like so. That's it. Thank you.